Hi Ormandy guests, here's a video to help you use the lock for the first time. Usually I'm on the Ring camera and can talk you through it, but just in case something happens and I'm not available, this is a backup for you. Now your code is going to be different than the code I put in, but you need to wake up the lock, enter your code, and wait for 2 blue check marks. Then push and enter. We're glad you're here. Once you're inside, you can see the 2 key fobs and garage clicker. You'll need to keep these on you at all times except for the ocean and the pool. Please also fill out the guest registration information and turn it into the office. This is for the fire department in case there's an emergency. They request an accurate number or occupancy account for the building. This is for everyone's safety. You can also find our business cards if you want to book again. Here's a QR code to scan for connection to the Wi-Fi. We also have it printed up here and other useful information, and there's a checkout checklist to make checkout easy. I also have a shopping tote if you want to use it to go grocery shopping. Thank you and have a great stay.